What's up, guys? Looks like a beautiful day to do an engine fire emergency in the Airbus 350 900 variant. We are approaching Cairo International Airport, and why not? Let's give it a shot. Let's see how the aircraft will react and how we will react as well. Stick around, so I'll give you some helpful insights. So maybe you can try it yourself. Situations, failures. Let's do engine to fire. Okay, let's get back to charts. Okay, engine to fire. Land ASAP. Throttle to idle. Confirm to idle. Engine to master switch off. Engine to fire BB push. Let's do that. It's eliminated. Pushed. I'll wait 10 seconds, then discharge. It should be counting down already. Baby bleed, don't use. Okay, 1, 2. Let's silence the alarm. Engine 2 bleeds off. So engine 2 bleed off. If you bleed, don't use. Check. Okay, we will wait for 8 seconds. Now let's notify ATC. Okay. Delta 370 declaring emergency. Mayday. We have engine fire number 2. Deliver MCT for 1. Notified ATC.
Delta 370 Heavy, Yasun approach. Expect the ILS runway 5 center approach into Cairo.
Delta 370, make sure we have the emergency equipment standing by, as we have single engine landing and we had engine fire on right side. Engine number 2.
Delta 370 Heavy, wind 040 at 12. Runway 5 center cleared to land. Attention all aircraft. Inbound emergency aircraft on final approach to runway 36.
Clear to land Delta 370. Okay, just to check our landing checklist for now.
1000.
1000 stabilized. Okay, let's do check rudder trim before disengaging autopilot. Autopilot off. Reset.
Above.
Usually you do need to do that reset before touchdown, but I'm not gonna look down before touchdown, so I'm gonna using my rudder manually if I needed to. But so far it's stabilized. We're fine.
500.
Somehow drifting to right.
400. 300. 200.
Right slow. Right slow.
100.
Right slow.
50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Okay, we're not using BTV. We're doing manual braking. Let's see if they're gonna bring the emergency vehicles or not. Let's vacate runway and stop. Okay, stopping here. Parking brake on.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cairo. We hope you enjoyed that smooth landing, expertly handled by Captain Khalil and First Officer Randall. The weather here is quite pleasant, with clear skies and a temperature of 14 degrees Celsius.
Delta 370, emergency vehicles are on their way. Stay put.
Seatbelts fastened until we reach our final.
Okay, we are standing by for emergency vehicles.
You know that Cairo is home to the
Okay, they are coming, as you can see. That's very cool. And notice how they are approaching the right side, and we have the smoking cabin, so that's not good. We might need to evacuate. So let's get the
fantastic stay in Cairo.
ABU started, and let's put evacuation on captain and person.
505 Alpha Mike, turn left, heading 090, contact departure.
Delta 370, we have smoke coming out of the cabin. We might evacuate. Okay, we have abnormal checklists. We have emergency
Delta
evacuate.
370, understood. Initiate evacuation procedures if necessary. Emergency services are on their way.
Okay, we notified parking brake on. ATC notified, check. Cabin crew alert. Cabin crew stand by. We might need to evacuate the aircraft. Stand by for that. Back 1 and 2 off.
Understood, Captain Khalil. The cabin crew is on standby and ready for any necessary actions. Please keep us updated on the situation.
All engines master off. How's our ABU so we don't lose all communication? ABU. I didn't start my ABU. What an amazing thing. Then we'll need to use all fire extinguishers and ABU. Then we're gonna lose ABU. Let's check our aircraft. Wow, that's a dense smoke. In a case like that, they should have been evacuated already. To be honest with you, in real life, they're not gonna stay all that. But we're going through stuff. Let's make sure that we have the slides armed, because we will need them. Don't disarm them. They are armed in blue like that. So you know what? I'm gonna tell them to evacuate. Evacuate. Slide evacuate from left side and right side. We are clear on both sides. Yeah, mainly the smoke is.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is an emergency. Please remain calm and follow the instructions of the cabin crew. We are evacuating the aircraft. Please leave your belongings behind and proceed to the nearest exit. Follow the illuminated path and listen to the crew's instructions. Thank you for your cooperation.
Okay, we're leaving. We're leaving, man. I see that the evacuation command is not modeled right. It's not making any sound. You should hear the sound and turn off the horn. That's a bug. I'm sure they will be working on that soon. Okay, so ABU is almost there. Notifying ATC as well. Delta 370, we are evacuating the aircraft. We have heavy smoke coming out of the cabin. All engines masters off.
Delta 370, understood. Initiate evacuation procedures immediately. Emergency services are on their way to assist.
Okay, check. We have
Diamond Tree 71 Bravo Charlie, cleared to land runway 27, caution birds on final.
Clear to land runway 27, Diamond Tree 71 Bravo Charlie.
we have used that. We're not gonna use all of them. You know what? Let's do it. I wonder how is it gonna be. Now we're gonna lose a view as well. Evacuation required. Evac PA announce. Evac commands on. All ambats off. Okay. So evacuation command, we did that. We gave the command and all ambats off. So let's turn off batteries. Okay. That's it, guys. Very cool. Hope you enjoyed that one. So go ahead and give it a try. Very exciting scenario to test and fly in the A350. Take care, and I'll see you probably in another emergency soon. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and like, as we are a small channel, as you know, and it's gonna be helping us a lot. Thank you. Have a great day.